Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to stretch an image in Canva. In order to do so, first off, here we are in Canva and we have our image ready to go that we want to test for stretching. Now, if you look around, you're not going to find any obvious indications of how to stretch this. So what you're going to need to do is you actually need to double click the image, and if you've done it correctly, then you should get these arrows at the four corners of the image. From there, what you want to do is you want to make sure that the image is as stretched out as possible, as wide as possible. In other words, if you see here what I'm doing, you want to make sure that these arrows are all the way up at the corners, and then you're going to hold down the shift button. And when you pull, you're now going to see that you can actually stretch the image. So it is a little bit buried, but once you know where it is, then all you have to do is just hold down shift and you can pull and resize the image and stretch it to your heart's content. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.